And guys, mag-honey test tayo. Let's see if pure ba yan nabili ko. And first, ang ating test is the water test. Then take a tablespoon of honey and mix it on a glass of water. And if the honey is pure, it will lump together and settle at the bottom. So ayan po siya guys, dumiretso siya lubog sa baba, hindi po siya umangat yung honey, so it means it's pure. And the second test is a matchstick test, yung puspuro. First, didip natin yung match in honey and then trying to light it using a matchbox. And if your honey is pure, it will light up. Yan, umapoy po siya, so it means guys, it's pure. Pag hindi naman siya umapoy, so it means your honey mo is may kasamang water. Then the last one is a paper test. Ayan, sinet ko na yun siya ng 1 minute. Then try natin tingnan. See? And if the honey remains deposited on the paper, so it means it's pure. But if you see a wet mark on the paper, so it means your honey is not pure. So thanks for watching.